Someone southeast. Someone
Lang,
southeast.
sino quarter nila?
Liam.
Pwede pa mark si Liam.
YouTube.
Tinatisa ulit, Cox.
Mahirap makita yun kung walang mark.
Yeah,
Pasa
wait
mo sa
lang.
akin, Cox.
Ay, okay.
Mark mo na.
70% gate.
Okay, everyone now ready? Reactive on me. Reactive only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I mean now. Okay, everyone now. East now, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East mo now. East mo now. More damage. Go back. Late.
Si Liam. Sino pa tuloy?
Wala siya.
Ito to, mark mo hawa.
Dito na.
Yo.
They will engage me.
Careful.
Okay, DPS ready now. South now. Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw south. Kill this one. More damage. Good. Go back.
They're looking.
Then we go down.
我们先去巢穴办可以不？我们先去巢穴办可以
Then
不？
we go down. Tell me. Ready? South deep. Southeast deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw crown.
Wait, why is ZH here? What the hell?
Nice.
We will plan 5. Just give it them. Okay, click comes. To me. Ready? On me. Reactive. Ready?
Cooldown. Right,
Okay.
ready.
Okay, DPS now. Look east now. Look east. Okay.
Wala siya.
Heal me. Okay, east now. Me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw east. Drop. Go back.
Walang yara.
Alam mo naman
Baka.
wala to gago.
Sabihin mo lang NB.
Okay, on me reactive you have. No.
Sige, sabihin ko NB.
Okay, ready on me. South 3, 2, 1. Only reactive. Okay? Okay, everyone now. East now. Look east. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East mo now. More damage. Go back.
Max B.
Agad pa.
Isa pa.
We will full wipe them here, okay? One more engage. Everyone, ready. We're gonna engage them on the choke. Wait, defense first. Okay, on the choke in 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone on the choke now. Drop on the choke. Just drop on the choke.
Cleric.
Go back. Jagat fast, okay? Jagat fast. Reactive, we fake. Okay? Ready?
Second floor
On me reactive. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Only reactive.
Kaya nasa second.
Obvious.
Okay, wait
Cox
lang.
NB. Cox NB.
Yeah, I know. Defensive. Okay, CC him now. Wait. Don't engage. Inch up now. Deep south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw. South now. Deep south. South, boys. Uy, south. Akong sabi ko south. Go back. Go back. DPS ready. Reactive on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw reactive. Only reactive, okay? DPS now ready on the gate. Everyone on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt gate.
Nice one.
Nice.
Kay Liam, almost.
Cycle. Tell me cool down.
Waiting for Elise.
Okay.
Jacket. Oh.
Tracking. I'm waiting for Elise.
Okay. Wait. Okay, we're gonna engage deep south. Okay, deep south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw deep south now. Demon. Back.
Sir Cox, ingat.
Okay,
Jagat.
kalma lang.
Hindi kita mahil kung gano'ng kadalin.
Ako, hindi ka sa Sir Cox, kahit malalim.
Again.
NB. Nag-NB. NB, ang layo pala sa akin. Hindi ko nakita.
GM mo lang yung mga DPS pag nag-NB siya.
Hindi mo nakikita yun? Kala ko
In-
idol mo ako. Pag na-NB yun, GGA ko lang yung RB. No.
The shallow.
Wala.
Nasa is.
DPS inch up or no? DPS inch up. That's a fake. I will do fake. Which work reactive on me? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. That's fake. Okay, go back. Everyone shallow south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Shallow south. Kill this one. Go back. They will engage. They will engaging. They 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 shallow. They shallow. Relax. Inch up now. 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 We're gonna go in deep southeast. Deep southeast. Deep southeast, boys. Deep southeast. In 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep southeast. Deep southeast. Big, big, big.
Ayun, diwan.
Go back. A bit faster. A bit faster next time. Go back. Jacket.
Waiting for Elise.
Wait for this. Okay. Wait. Wait. Almost. We can wipe them. Huh? We can wipe them.
Ready ah.
Okay. Wait.
Hodge looking ah.
Okay.
Hodge looking on the choke.
Wait lang.
Kala ko ba depending tayo.
Okay, headbutt look for headbutt, look for headbutt, look for headbutt. Inch, go back a bit, go back a bit. Look for headbutt, Ilis. Step up kayo, ready. Step up, headbutt, 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 southeast, headbutt, ha? Wait,
Fake.
wait, that's fake. Wait,
Step up na.
okay. DPS step up now, DPS step up. We headbutt them. Wait lang. Wait
Okay, the choke,
lang. They will engage on the
Okay,
choke,
the
They
choke.
will looking the choke.
Looking ah. Wala pa, kalma lang.
Kalma lang. By time.
Hey, yung dodge yung Q. Sige lang. Wala pa, looking pa lang ah.
Don't stuck in the choke. Isang NB lang yun. Hila kayo lahat.
Oh. I will do fake, this is fake.
Hug the wall.
Walang pop masyado sa southwest side.
DPS inch up.
Nag-wait si Liam.
Silang.
Sige lang.
Nasa north side yung HJ ah.
Okay.
North
Yes,
side
yes,
yung
spread
ano, HOJ tapos isang heavy mace up. Pagka yung
Oo.
shadow step.
Huwag kayo masyadong go deep, Wait lang.
Wait, nag-invade sa'yo.
Sakto lang.
Chill lang dito, chill lang.
Chill nyo lang. Chill kayo.
Wala siya Cox ah. Hindi ko siya kita ah. Ilabas na ako rin ako. Nakakita ko na siya.
O kaya
Putang na mo
tayo.
gago.
Ayun.
Okay, deep southeast, ready. We're gonna engage deep southeast, Wait.
Kakang cut sa akin.
Deep southeast.
Dito,
Deep southeast, boys. Deep southeast. They will engage soon. We're gonna go deep east. Ready?
Another bob
Deep
coming.
east.
Wait lang, may blobs sa north side ah.
Another bob.
Si ano yan, si meeting stone.
Come back, AGG mo muna, baka
Bilgax.
Sabihin na,
Can you
null tayo.
crown Cox?
Stop,
Kasi
stop,
top,
stop,
kasi
stop,
top.
stop, ako.
Bilgax,
Top,
PT2. Can you
Sige,
crown
labanan nila
Cox,
si ano, si
PT2?
GH.
Don't follow.
Don't follow. Stay here.
Meeting stone.
Let them.
We don't interfere. Okay? We don't interfere. If they want to
Open
fight.
castle. Did you open reactive?
No, I haven't opened it.
Una pa, hindi pa bukas. Sarado pa. Ilis, sarado pa.
Six UTC pa lang pala. Wala ko 8 na.
Yan, FF na GH yan.
Bro, don't follow them.
Nagbabagan sila.
May ilang sila.
Ikot natin palo. Kita mo yung Bogart? Gago, pag nag-NB yun.
PT2, Mark Cox,
Lapit na
PT2, Bilgax, Mark Cox.
Kunin nyo kasi yung party lead. Hindi niya marinig.
Yung Mark Cox sa PT2. Jazz, ikaw na PT lead. Marka mo Cox, Jazz. Okay na ba? $30 million here, brother.
We will loot later. Just loot the silver band.
Yeah, I've just taken the silver bag.
13 minutes on the second OC break.
Yes. There is 24 million left.
Okay.
Ba't nag-6-2 ka na lang na shaper, Jess?
Goa is here as well.
Goa?
Okay, let's go. Okay, this one.
Hindi na castle siege yan.
Hidsing, are you
Alam mo,
playing, brother?
Ano sabi, Sir Cox? G?
Yeah, Hello Falls AFK, bro.
Okay, that's it. G.
Kulang ka halo full, ah.
Ilang.
It's okay.
Okay, G. Okay, ready.
kamatay
Okay,
ka.
G. Okay, boys, ready.
Oh, Pino, sakit ni Jazz.
Poseidon, wake up.
Pang Barbie lang gago.
Build Yax, don't inertia ring.
GG daw, ah. What the hell, ha?
Okay, G.
Yo, G.
Okay, everyone.
Eh,
Okay, go. This is go. DPS ready. Okay, inch up now. I will do fake. Reactive on me. 5,
Yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1. Amin now.
Not even out the door yet.
Okay.
Northside mga stopper nila, ah. J
Oh.
and ano.
DPS now, we shallow, and look for headbutt. DPS shallow south, the shallow south is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, south is muna, shallow. Then soak them down. DPS now, ready. Jagat fast.
No
Okay.
Jacob.
Then we go down.
Ready na, ready.
Then we go down. Ready? Okay. They engage me. Okay, inch up now. South is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amin now, south is now. Then go back north. Cleanse. Go back. Jacket fast. Jacket fast.
Dami
Ako
na
J-Cox, ah.
Okay. DPS now, ready?
Ready.
Okay, shallow south, engage deep tank south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amin now, south. Killis. Go back.
J yung iba.
Go back.
Naging
they're looking
They shallow. Everyone now, inch up east now. Inch up east.
5 seconds.
Tell me cool down. Inch up. And inside the bus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside the bus. Kill this one inside the bus. More damage. Okay, spread again. Come. No. Don't step back too much. Don't go too far. Just jacket. Cycle.
May
Tell me cool down,
heavy
tell me cool
sa
down.
cooldown namin.
Tell me cool down.
Ready yan.
Okay, south na shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mix out. More damage. Kill him.
Nice one.
Nice. Go back now. Peel them. Jacket. Okay, inch up east. Southeast. Tell me cool down.
Layo.
Inch up now.
Ready.
Everyone now. South now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Umina south on Liam. Kill Liam.
We got Hodge.
Okay, come back west. Peel them. Jacket. Just jacket, boys. Just jacket.
It
Tell me
should
cool
get
down.
washed away by the.
Tell me cool down.
Looking. Engage on you.
Invi.
They're looking. Nice. Jay. Everyone now, inside the bus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside the bus. Just trap inside the bus. Kill this one. Kill. Okay, again. DPS ready.
Jacket 1.
Okay. Come southeast. Southeast now.
No Jacob.
Southeast now. Keep moving. Come west. DPS west. Shallow north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Shallow on the ground.
We cannot. We have heavy mix. We got.
Okay, go back north.
Ano ba to, Cox? Open world daw, castle. Kasi
Bilis
pag
na
balik
nandito
kami
yung
ng castle, ini-snare na kami.
Oh. Di, open word na natin to. Di, defense ready. Defense, get ready. Def. Counter southwest now. Look south. See them first. Keep moving southwest. Go deep southwest. In 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside the bus now. Kill inside the bus. Clerical, man.
Cox,
Go back first.
Ano to? Open world do. Kasi ang gulo eh. Hindi natin alam saan tayo magkakait.
Balik lang sa castle man, balik lang sa castle.
Naisner kami sa ano.
Nagbabantay na sila sa likod ng DPS mo, Sir Cox. Siniiwan mo na.
Di, NB. Kill me. Okay, counter Satos. Fast engage on me. Fast engage on the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amin na crown.
No. We cannot. We really cannot.
Open
Okay.
yung
They're pulling us out
Okay,
to
okay.
silent. Or-
Hindi makain-chop DPS mo, Cox. Huwag mo na lang
Sige.
very open past the gate. And
Okay,
they are
gate.
going to hold the
Just staying on the gate.
counter.
Just waiting for
Okay,
you
okay.
to engage.
Okay, we shallow them first. We shallow them. Everyone ready? Okay, ready DPS. We're gonna shallow south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On Liam. Kill Liam. Almost, okay? Jacket fast. One more engage, okay?
Basilis.
They're jacket.
Preles. Bugawak na ako jacket 1.
Oo. Okay. Step up now. Outside tayo. Palag tayo outside, men.
Saan ang
Outside tayo, outside. Southwest ang kiting path. Southwest kiting path.
South ah.
Okay, everyone now, headbutt, ready for headbutt. Southeast now, southeast 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Mina, southeast now. Kahit southwest. Keep kiting southwest now. Southwest. Don't go back to the Lord. Don't go back to the castle. Don't go back castle. Southwest.
Southwest kayo.
Don't go back, Castle.
Southwest kayo outside.
Defensive. Kahit southwest. Double OC. Everyone now. E shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Shallow. Go back. Keep kiting southwest. Kahit southwest for now. Kahit.
Come back dito.
Okay. Okay, everyone now ready?
Ready.
Southeast man. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, southeast man. More drop.
Layering.
Go back. Think with the willing kitchen. Jacket fast southwest, Ilis. Move, Ilis. Move, Ilis. Keep moving southwest. South.
Just ready.
The inside of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On Liam inside of us. Just drop.
Hindi pa rin.
Liam almost dead.
Almost.
Na-cleric.
Keep kiting southwest DPS. Kite southwest now. Peel them. Keep west. Keep kiting west. Don't stop, Ilis.
Jacket 1.
Ready?
Not yet.
Okay, inch east now. Northeast. In 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. Umina. Crown. Just stop on the crown. Okay, go back west. Keep getting west. Get west. Hold for now. Everyone ready? Look is shallow north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Omina north. Kill this one north. Kill the north side. Nice, we kill. Go back west. DPS now cycled, ready? Come southeast.
Full south sila.
Come southeast.
Hold on.
Alright.
Okay, come south. It's okay. Come south. We will GG if this shot, okay? Shallow inside of us now, okay? Inside of us, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us only, side of us. Okay, keep getting north. North now. Keep getting north. Defense. Keep getting north.
May waiting stone pa na ano.
DPS now, southwest. DPS west. In 5, 4,
West.
Three.
Huge west.
2, 1. Ground. Big.
Long cooldown, Doy.
Ay, long cooldown ba?
Di narinig.
Low kasi. Sige lang. QW. DPS na ready. DPS cycle southeast. Cycle south kayo, DPS. Cycle south kayo. Turn back south. Oo.
North. Sa north kayo
Oo. Depende. Def. Okay, inside of us. Counter inside of us. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us now. Inside of us.
Gago.
Okay, kite north again. Kite north.
Mana?
Go back east, Iles. They are looking at us, Iles.
Ano, there's a gate.
Sa harap.
I will
Okay.
right.
Okay, seize them. They engaging. Defend. Okay, DPS now. Look now. Look inside of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us now. Big. Full wide. More. Nice. Hold. Come to southwest. Come to me south. Come to me west. Full them. Follow them. Come to us. Come on. Comes out.
Guys, come on.
It's okay, reactive.
How do you keep the pressure on the
DPS na, northwest, inside
Bro,
boss,
we're
5.
popping the jacket.
We're lang cooldown. We're still in 5.
Yeah.
Defend first. Inside the bus. West, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Omina west. Just trap on west. Kill this one.
Lim
GG daw,
said
GG
GG.
daw,
Okay.
Jacket 1.
2 minutes 30 on the second OC break.
I have OC 2 minutes.
Chill,
5 minutes
Deadly.
yung OC ko.
Come back. Baka ikaw pa ma-engage.
One class is here
Okay.
as well.
Hey, come here. Okay, ready now, ready. Okay, come here. Follow me.
Bro, we are melee jacket, so don't expect after we engage, we will pop jacket as soon as possible. We are going back to the kiting point. We are diving on Cook's clamp.
Cook.
So wait
Can
2 to 3
we-
seconds before we go back.
Yeah.
Can we back MR for deploy loot and reset OC for? I have
Alta, 7
two-
Moonlight,
we
and
left
Mac Biday
dun ako.
on that last engage. Enemy last engage.
Okay. We go
Guys,
canyon,
1
we will
minute
fight
lang
in
yung
canyon.
OC break pa.
Oo.
OC break ko 1 minute lang.
4 minutes yun sa akin, Cox.
Oo.
Arba ko na to.
May den, sa den na lang muna.
May 4 minutes yung OC.
I-reset OC mo sa den. Ang hirap pag dalawa ka friendly fight man.
Friendly.
No pro ko yung jacket dahil sa akin eh. Ang lalim ko mag-engage, no, makaabot sa kanila.
Hindi, ako rin nagdadive ako kay Cooks eh. Eh syempre na-hold din tayo pabalik. Kaya hindi tayo nakakapapagad ng jacket.
May time
Pero
din na
nakakapagod
nagpakag
tayo.
si Cox ng North, tas putang si Liam nag-golem bigla eh, nag-engage eh.
No,
Yung makabalik.
Naano din ako men sa kiting path tsaka positioning. Follow me in Elder Sleep now, guys. Where are you? Elder Sleep, we fight in canyon, okay?
Wala na.
Reset your Rosie.
Grabe.
Second
mga
OC
boss
People
na
are double
natin.
AC, bro.
What?
No, we double OC already.
Double OC already on the
Yeah.
Dawn
for
Song.
the first fight.
Probably OC break na.
Okay. Let's go.
Sa mga broke. Ayado pa. Armor and head. Don't broke.
Nasira yung tatlo ko. Yung weapon na naiwan. Screenshot.
Grabe, ang hirap mag
Sira
ano
ako
dun,
dito. Wala na akong dalakis. OC break na lahat. Buti na naiwan yung Donsong, yung mahal.
Check if you have break, guys. You can OC break now. Can you OC break? Check if someone... Double OC lang, Lordos, you're fine. Xgen, you're fine. Barge, you're fine. Evaj, Bogart, double OC.
We got a red follow on. 1
Kamal
o'clock.
CH.
I think you're good. Okay, just go inside.
Naka-double OC na ako. 2 minutes.
Eko. Some of your party need to OC break.
And yeah.
Where are we going?
Parang laki nila Cooks.
Canyon.
Wait, you fighting here?
May
Ready daw ba? Ang gas si CH.
How?
Sige lang, balik lang kayo. Kaya kong i-sustain to.
Roll club sila, Sir Cox, ha?
may brawler sila.
Yeah, kita ko din eh. Roll club.
Regroup me. Miawin, are you still okay, Miawin?
Meron pa.
Yes, regroup on me first.
Phalanx. Bobrol sa backline to.
Okay, regroup with me north side. Regroup with me north side. Oh, pwede kayo sa guys. Deep Pine Forest is a smuggler then. You can go there. Much closer.
Ay, saan ka, Sir Cox? Ay,
Sa
nasusundan
north.
ko yung ano, yung party lead. Pababa.
If you want OC break, go no. On me.
Pasabi mo
the
si
loot.
ZH, ano, i-ano lang yung OC break. Ah, ZH already dismounted. Ah, don't catch.
Okay, regroup with me here.
Boto. Ang ulti natin.
1+ is here daw. Proper.
Mewin, can you trade me? I'm overload.
Sir Cox, nag-ano daw? G daw ba?
Wait lang, wala pa. Come to canyon. Come here west.
No, it's okay.
Utang ina.
Thank you.
Tapos na yung brawler sa likod.
Oh.
May nakaano na. Ready na. Naku po. Sayang, nag-castle na lang sana tayo. At least doon, ano.
May battle mode pa sila eh.
Ibubulaw sila ako sa gulat. Gago, di ako namatay. Na-DC ako.
Oo nga. Hindi, nag-GG na yung ano, all rise. Nung na-DC ka. Nakatayo ka lang sa labas.
Sila. Ito naman yung sinend ko sa sa guild chat. Sa Discord. Greatest Hollow Fall E. Buti nag-G na.
Ah,
Nakita mo sila.
Paparmin na lang tayo niyang Cox eh. Nakapwesto na brawler nila eh.
Hindi. Lilipat tayo. Hanap tayo ng choke, okay?
change position mo. Push in ka.
10 minutes na lang daw
Tapan tayo.
yung back.
Asan na kayo, men? Where are you guys? Miawen, Dupa, Pinpir.
I mean, rolling. Coming now.
6 minutes OC.
Ah.
Map check. Nasa MR ako.
It's been 2 minutes na daw. Ala.
Okay, follow me southwest una.
Putang ina mo yung OC ko.
May kachat yan. Ay, Sir Cox. Sound na lang yan masaya.
Come to me southwest.
Hindi tayo.
Stop, go, stop. Hindi tayo.
Asan na kayo, Iles?
O bandang south.
Elder Sleep.
Okay, follow me.
Basta ka tayo dun sa bandang southeast side para yung rigger natin. Makahabol agad.
Guys, please, faster.
South is magaling nila Iles.
For the A na. I think we're good. Konting
Okay,
DPS na lang.
come. Follow me north.
Catching nga.
So do you wanna
Holy,
Okay,
may
on me
nag-OC
this one,
break
on me.
na.
This one.
Catching. Engaging.
GG.
Di kill some, ah.
Okay, come to me west on the choke. West now. Peel them. Southwest on the vent. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Umina, southwest. Kill. Keep kiting west.
Clear north.
Keep kiting west. Keep kiting west. Keep kiting west. Peel them. Keep kiting. Peel them. Keep kiting. We're good. Keep kiting west. Everyone now. Inside the bus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside the bus. Keep kiting southeast. Keep kiting southeast. East. Hug the wall. East, hug the wall. Okay, it's okay. QW on this one.
Ready ah.
Okay, inside the bus. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside the bus. Hit inside the bus. Okay, go back northeast. Northeast. Keep moving northeast. Keep moving. Keep kiting.
Go north, reactive.
Go northwest.
Bro, they
Not
come
okay.
outnumbered. They're using a fucking battle mount on us.
Yeah, yes, no.
This isn't a friend fight, bro. This is a fucking assassination. Fucking wasted my time. I shouldn't have come back. I didn't even, like, you called to start the fight before anybody even, like, there was still 4
Yeah,
of us
just
on.
GG. Let's call it GG, bro. Let's call it GG.
We weren't